Every premium knife handle begins with carefully selected natural cow horns. The journey starts as thousands of horns arrive at the factory. Only flawless horns continue to the next manufacturing stage. Every piece is inspected for strength and natural beauty. Industrial washing removes years of dirt and surface impurities. Clean material is essential for premium knife handles. Heat sterilization prepares the horns for precision manufacturing. This process ensures clean and stable raw material. Complete drying prevents future cracking during machining. Only perfectly dried horns continue forward. The pointed tips are removed before handle production begins. Only the strongest sections are selected. Precision cutting creates uniform blanks for every handle. Accuracy here reduces material waste. The natural curve must be opened before shaping. This exposes the strongest horn material. Natural horn becomes flexible under controlled heat. This allows precise shaping without damage. Hydraulic pressure transforms curved horn into flat material. This is the foundation of every knife handle. Controlled cooling locks the horn into its new shape. Dimensional stability is critical. Every sheet is machined to an exact thickness. Consistency is essential for premium handles. Natural patterns make every horn unique. Only premium sections become luxury knife handles. Digital templates maximize every valuable horn sheet. Precision planning reduces waste. Computer-controlled cutting creates perfectly matched handle blanks. Next, each blank will be shaped into its final ergonomic form. 5-axis CNC machining creates the exact handle profile. Every curve is cut for comfort and balance.
Rounded edges improve comfort and appearance. Precision finishing begins to reveal the handle's final form.
Uniform thickness ensures a perfect knife fit. The natural horn pattern remains untouched. Laser inspection guarantees consistent dimensions. Only perfectly matched blanks continue. Perfect pin alignment is essential for a strong handle. CNC drilling ensures flawless accuracy. Internal relief pockets improve handle fit. Precision milling prepares for assembly. Ultrasonic cleaning removes hidden machining dust. A spotless surface improves bonding strength. Completely dry horn is ready for premium selection. The natural shine begins to appear. Natural horn makes every handle unique. Matching pairs create a premium finished knife. Fine sanding reveals the horn's natural beauty. Every surface becomes perfectly smooth. Buff polishing enhances the horn's natural depth. The premium finish starts to emerge. Every handle is inspected under bright light. Only flawless pieces continue. Vacuum stabilization improves durability and moisture resistance. This process increases the handle's lifespan.
Careful curing locks the stabilizing resin into the horn. The material is now stronger than ever.
Every steel tang is carefully prepared for a permanent bond. A clean surface ensures maximum adhesive strength. Industrial epoxy is mixed with precise proportions. Accurate ratios guarantee long-lasting durability. A uniform adhesive layer creates complete surface contact. This step is critical for structural strength. The natural horn scales are perfectly aligned. Precision positioning prevents future movement. Hydraulic pressure creates a perfectly even bond. Every handle is securely compressed. Brass pins add mechanical strength to the handle. They work together with the industrial epoxy. Each brass pin is permanently secured. The handle now becomes one solid structure. Controlled curing develops maximum adhesive strength.
The bonded handle is now permanently fixed.
Grinding blends the horn perfectly with the steel. The knife begins to take its final shape. Comfort is crafted into every handle. Each contour improves grip and control. Expert polishing reveals the horn's natural beauty. No two handles look exactly alike. The joint between horn and steel becomes invisible. Precision craftsmanship creates a luxury finish. Every luxury handle passes strict visual inspection. Only flawless craftsmanship earns approval. The final polish unlocks the horn's natural brilliance. Next comes rigorous testing before these premium knives leave the factory. Every premium handle must withstand extreme mechanical stress. The bonded horn remains solid under heavy loads. Torque testing confirms long-term structural stability. The handle remains firmly locked to the tang. Natural horn combines beauty with remarkable toughness. The handle withstands repeated impacts. Years of simulated use are compressed into minutes. The premium handle stays secure throughout. Proper balance improves comfort and cutting control. Every knife meets strict performance standards. The finished knife delivers exceptional cutting performance. Every blade passes strict quality verification. Every detail is carefully examined. Only flawless craftsmanship earns final approval. Laser engraving creates permanent product identification. Each knife becomes fully traceable. The final cleaning reveals a flawless finish. Every knife leaves the line perfectly clean. A protective coating preserves the knife's premium finish. The horn handle receives its final hand polish. Protective guards keep every blade safe during transport. The finished knife is now ready for packaging. Luxury packaging protects the handcrafted knife. Every box includes quality documentation. Tamper-evident seals protect every premium product. The package is now shipment ready. Each knife is digitally tracked from factory to customer. Global logistics begin with accurate labeling. Every shipment is digitally tracked inside the automated warehouse. Advanced logistics ensure fast global distribution. Automated systems quickly locate every shipment. Each order is prepared for international delivery. Accurate documentation keeps international shipments moving. Every pallet is fully verified before export. The finished products reach the export loading area. Every shipment is organized by destination. Each container is loaded for maximum protection. Secure positioning prevents movement during transport.
Final inspections protect every shipment. Security seals guarantee shipment integrity. The finished products leave the factory. A global journey now begins.
The shipment reaches one of the world's busiest ports. International delivery is one step closer. Powerful cranes load shipments for overseas customers. The premium knives begin their ocean voyage. These premium knives travel thousands of kilometers. They are destined for customers worldwide. Regional distribution centers prepare every order. The journey is nearly complete.
Luxury retailers receive the finished knives. The craftsmanship is ready to be appreciated.
Every natural horn handle is completely unique. No two finished knives are exactly alike. Superior craftsmanship delivers exceptional cutting performance. The premium horn handle offers beauty and comfort. From natural cow horn to a luxury knife handle, every step demands precision. Next, we conclude with the factory's final showcase and global legacy.
Every finished handle showcases nature's unique beauty. No two premium horn handles are ever identical.
Precision engineering meets the beauty of natural Brahman cow horn. Every detail reflects expert craftsmanship. From raw horn to a premium knife handle, the transformation is remarkable. Behind every premium handle is a team of skilled professionals. Their expertise drives every stage of production.
Modern technology ensures precision at every step. Automation and craftsmanship work side by side.
Each knife combines natural elegance with engineering precision. The collection reflects exceptional craftsmanship. These premium knives reach customers across the globe. Quality craftsmanship knows no borders. Every stage reflects precision, quality, and dedication. This factory sets a remarkable manufacturing standard. A masterpiece shaped through precision and patience. Nature and craftsmanship unite in every handle. Every angle reveals exceptional attention to detail. The natural horn finish is truly distinctive.
Premium craftsmanship delivers lasting confidence. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike.
The factory never stops pursuing excellence. Every day, new masterpieces begin their journey.
From natural cow horn to luxury craftsmanship, every stage contributes to perfection.
The journey ends with a product built to last. A symbol of craftsmanship, precision, and natural beauty. Thank you for joining us inside the world's largest knife handle factory. See you in the next journey inside another extraordinary manufacturing process.